Hey everyone, thanks for checking out today's episode of the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman with Peterman Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. Do you know what's in the air you're breathing? No. I'm not talking about the air outside. I'm talking about the air in your home. Dust, pollen, and other allergens can be circulating through your air, and you may not even know it. That's not all. Other more harmful contaminants like mold spores may also be in the airstream. You may be thinking, wait a minute, I have a clean house. I don't see any of these things. And you won't. They're in your ductwork. Regular duct cleanings are essential for the health of both your home and your family. And you may be asking, how regular? Great question. And honestly, it really depends. Every house is a little bit different, and the lifestyle plays a large part in how often duct cleanings are needed. The only true way to tell is to have a professional take a look at your vent and ductwork, and we'd be happy to help with that. A good rule of thumb is to think, how long have you lived in your home? Have you had a cleaning in that time? If it's been more than a few years, it probably is in need of a cleaning. Don't wait and give us a call or visit our website. We'd be happy to come and clean your ductwork. And also, more importantly, help your family and your home feel a little bit better. Thanks for watching our quick video on duct cleaning. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.